Okay, on this video I will show you how to make a very interesting color effect. It is very similar to black and white, but we don't need to use black or white necessarily. What am I talking about? I can use image, adjustments, gradient maps to take an image to a special gradient. For example, on the part in which this image is black, I can make it blue. And then, in this case, instead of black and white, it could be a blue and white, but I can also change the white part to yellow. So now, instead of black and white, I have a blue and yellow. I want the between tones to be red or magenta in this case. And in this way, I could make a gradient map with the black and white graduation of any image. There is a very popular effect we can do with this. It was obviously created on the 50s and 60s, but we can replicate it with Photoshop very efficiently. We are talking about pop art. This technique was used by a very popular artist named Andy Warhol. He used Marilyn Monroe's face to make a series of artworks similar to this. I am duplicating the layers until 4. Now, one by one, I'm going to make a different gradient map. On this one, I can choose the dark color to be green, the light color can be pink, here I can decide the dark color to be red, and the light one can be cyan. On this one I can... If you notice, I am trying to use complementary colors. For example, red and cyan, green and magenta. So, in this case, I can use a blue and yellow. And finally, I will make a free one. I will go to the gradient maps, and here I choose to use of the default gradients. So I make something a little crazier. Well, these are some of the effects we could get using gradient maps and to make very interesting black and white effects.